What up, dudes? It's Uncle Stitch. Today we have a special guest. One of my little buddies. I was gonna see if he wanted to come up here and eat some millet and hang out with you guys, but let me see. Let me see. Come here, buddy. Come here. You step up. Oh. Step up. Step up. Good bird. Good boy. Uncle Millet, buddy. If he wants to hang out, he wants to hang out. If he doesn't, he doesn't. Looks like he doesn't. So anyway, my Benchmade 62. So not terrible, but needs some attention. I think what I'll do is finish this guy up first, and then later on we'll focus on the Benchmade 62. So here lately what I found is, this is so fucking shitty. Basically, taking the abrasive side of 400 and placing it down on a wooden block to give me enough friction to be able to sharpen the knife. Like that's what my life has been reduced to. And there are some spots in here. It's not bad, but I think I want to go back down to 600 actually. It won't take me long. We'll get right back up to where we were. But I wanted to just straighten some things up just a little bit more. I know we took it up to 3,000, and once I got up there, I found some things that I wanted changed. It's much better than what it was. I just had a little bit of light refracting in a strange way, and I wanted to correct that before we went to 10,000. Realistically, I think a good enough bite can be developed off of 600 grit. Tico. Might maybe Tico wants to join us. Give you guys a close up. Just a little bit of stuff that I wanted to straighten out before we man, I wish I could make this stick. not designed to be used the way that it's being used, I can tell you that. What I could do is shut the fan off. Bring Tico out here. See if he wants to hang out with us. This over here. I don't think you guys have ever seen Tico. I'm gonna close this door too. Trying to keep everything peaceful. Hey, buddy. Come out. Come out. Come on. Good boy. Or girl. Or whatever. Come on. There you go, buddy. So this is Tico. Tico is a very special bird. He's a Eurasian collared dove. He flew to me and my buddy and didn't want to leave. So he let us hold him and stuff, and it's not normal. Here you go, buddy. He I ended up taking him home. And I took him to the vet, and the vet discovered that Tico had damage on her left wing, and it was bleeding. And took Tico home, and that was it. Tico doesn't have to fight over food anymore. He doesn't have any predators after him. He gets to wake up every day and do bird stuff. We're getting there. Starting to straighten things out a little bit. I should have spent a little more time focusing on 400 grit when I first started this. Because once you get up into the higher grit, there's no fixing things. Well, there is, it's just gonna take forever. Who's a good bird? Who's a good bird, Tico? Do you want some of that? Want some food? Much better. Much better. Yeah. I think we could move on from there. I mean, that's... We're only going to use this for cutting tests, so it doesn't have to be absolutely perfect, but I do want to get it nice. Gonna try to jump on my hand. Oh, yep. That's how well I know him. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. does his thing when you pet his neck. He loves that. Let's see if I can get him into the light. Yes. Who's a good bird? Who's a good bird? Yeah. Tico is. Yeah. Tico loves hanging out. Probably jump on my head next. So funny. Tico is very adventurous. The budgies, I wish the budgies had the courage that Tico does. But they're still kind of new. I haven't had my budgies even a year. They get, you know, a lot of playtime though with me. I do let them out and, you know, give them the freedom to go do whatever they want to. That's coming out pretty fucking flat. That's nice. Also coming out very flat. Alright. This time it's not taking me so long. Tico has definitely bonded with me. It's a unique pet to have, that's for sure. They're very, very intelligent birds. They're very, very quick at puzzle solving. Eurasian collared doves are one of the only birds that I know of, but one unique feature is they can take off vertically, and most other birds have to fly at a slant. So that's one thing. He's looking at my head. I know he wants to jump up here. Come on. You can jump on my head. That's okay, Tico. I'm telling you, you're getting the spotlight right now, bud. We'll get you a big red carpet to walk down. Tico is a very sweet bird. know he wants to jump up here. They're actually pretty flat. Pretty uniform. So we'll go ahead and move on. I'm surprised you're not eating millet. You love that stuff. Just be careful because he pooped on the table. I don't need to poop on my stones. Very uniform. Okay. It sucks so bad that I don't have a holder for this. Realistically, I'll probably just end up making one. Who's a good bird? Yes. Yeah. Who's a good bird? Yeah, Tico's awesome. I would have thought that 320 grit would have held better than 400, but it actually, for some reason, slides more. I don't know why, I don't know how. Actually, it's holding up pretty well right now. Should probably call that good on that side. That's pretty damn good. That's just dust that's on there. That's preventing the light from shining. It's just dust. All right, we'll move on to 3000. This isn't taking us as long because there is a Spyderco part 1 where we spent over an hour. Main goal is to try and figure out if this actually is a premium steel. It might not necessarily be CTS XHP, but the main goal is to figure out if it is a premium steel or a decent steel. For those of you who have not seen the first one. I recommend you go look, talk about some things. This was a pawn shop find, and it ended up being a clone, unfortunately. But I did buy real Spydercos there, and they gave me such a deal because I bought all of them that basically the deal that I got made up for buying a fucking clone, unfortunately. At the time, I did not realize that this was not the legit deal. These clones are so well made. And I know people are like, oh, it's a Spyderco domino. You should have known when you saw the handles. Well, I'm not an expert in Spyderco dominoes. And that knife has been discontinued for a long time, so I actually had to do research on it to figure out what the fuck it was, because the guy at the pawn shop didn't even know what it was. He's like, yeah, it's a Spyderco. I was like, there's lots of Spydercos? Do you know what kind this is? He's like, I have no idea, it's a Spyderco, bro. I'm like, okay, whatever. Pretty damn good. That dust. Pretty damn good. Okay, well, I guess we will go to this piece of shit stone that I never want to use. Because it's a fucking piece of garbage. Yeah, when I make a review on this stone, I'm gonna rip them a new asshole. I just gotta get on Amazon and take some screenshots of the post about how like they make this thing look like an actual decently sized stone that comes with a holder, and holder's really nice and made out of wood and shit. Tico always loves to hang out on my shoulder or my head. That's actually a pretty good fucking bevel there. That's pretty nice. Pretty good. God, this stone is such a piece of shit. Yeah, they need to be nailed for false advertising on this one. And I don't really see the purpose of going up to 60,000 grit for something we're fixing to destroy anyway. However, we will strop it. Some of these metal shavings off of it.